Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Sunbeam Humidifier Filter Replacement is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining a healthy and comfortable home environment. These filters play a vital role in trapping minerals, impurities, and bacteria from the water, ensuring that only clean, humidified air is released into your living space. Over time, these filters can become less effective, so today, we're diving deep into the world of Sunbeam Humidifier Filter Replacements. Number 5. Colorfullife Humidifier Filters Replacement for Homes and Sunbeam. Are you looking for replacement filters? These filters are designed to fit your humidifier perfectly. It ensures optimal performance. This product is compatible with a wide range of Holmes and Sunbeam humidifier models. It's designed for your convenience. Specifically, it fits models like HLS 1300, HM 1100, HM 1280, and many more. This ensures a perfect fit for your device. It also works with Sunbeam models such as SCM 1100 and SCM 2409. It's a versatile choice for your humidification needs. These are HWF 62 replacement filters. The package includes 6 filters, providing you with long-lasting use. You'll receive a pack of 6 filters. This ensures you have replacements on hand when you need them. What we like? This pack gives you 6 filters, ensuring you're set for a while. It's designed to fit a wide range of Holmes and Sunbeam humidifiers. If you're looking for a convenient, long-term solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and were easy to install. The humidifier is working great again. These filters are exactly what I needed. Number 4. Funmit Humidifier Filter Replacement. This is a replacement filter for Holmes, Bionaire, and Sunbeam humidifiers. It is designed to fit various models, ensuring you can find the right fit for your device. This filter will keep your humidifier running smoothly. Made with high-quality reinforced mesh paper and advanced technology, this filter is built to last. The design is identical to the original, providing optimal surface area for moisture displacement. It will increase the use time and bring you a healthy life. This filter effectively removes impurities from water while retaining essential minerals. It humidifies the air and alleviates discomfort caused by dry environments. It also prevents white powder from entering your room. Each package includes 4 filters. For best results, use distilled water. Replace the filter every 1 to 2 months depending on usage. Soak it in water before use to ensure continuous water output. Funmit is committed to providing high-quality replacement parts and excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, contact our customer service team for assistance. We stand by our products and value our customers. What we like? This filter uses high-quality materials and advanced technology. It effectively filters impurities and retains essential minerals. If you have sensitive skin or want to breathe cleaner air, this filter is perfect for you. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and were easy to install. It is a great product and works as it should. The product is exactly what I needed. Number 3. Colorfullife Humidifier Filter A2 Pack. Are you looking for replacement filters? These filters are designed to fit a variety of humidifier models. It is a great choice for you. This filter is compatible with Holmes models, including HM 1230, HM 1245, and more. It also fits Honeywell, Sunbeam, and Vicks humidifiers. It is very convenient. This filter is designed to work with Holmes, Sunbeam, and Bionaire humidifiers that use filter A. It is a versatile option for many users. Each package includes 2 filters, providing you with a spare. This ensures you always have a fresh filter ready to go. It is a cost-effective solution. Replacing the filter is simple and straightforward. Just remove the old one and insert this new one. It helps maintain optimal humidifier performance. What we like? This pack includes 2 filters and is compatible with multiple humidifier brands. It's easy to install and maintain. If you have multiple humidifiers or want a simple, effective solution, consider this. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and were easy to install. The humidifier is working great again. These filters are exactly what I needed. Number 2. Colorfullife Humidifier Filter A4 Pack. These filters are designed to fit a wide range of Holmes humidifiers, including models like HM1230 and HM1295. It's also compatible with Honeywell, Sunbeam, and Vicks humidifiers requiring Filter A. This ensures that it can be used in many different models. The filter is compatible with various Honeywell models such as HCM 100C and HCM 2000C. It also works with Sunbeam models like SCM 1100 and SCM 1702. This filter is a versatile choice for many humidifier owners. This filter is designed to work with Holmes, Sunbeam, and Bionaire humidifiers. It is specifically designed to fit humidifiers that use Filter A. This makes it a convenient option for many households. You will receive a pack of 4 filters. This provides you with a sufficient supply for your humidifier. This ensures you have replacements on hand when needed. Replacing the filter is simple and straightforward. This filter helps to maintain the performance of your humidifier. It ensures that the air in your home remains clean and comfortable. What we like. With 4 filters, you'll have replacements on hand. It's designed to fit a variety of Holmes, Sunbeam, and Honeywell models. If you want a convenient, cost-effective solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install and last a fair amount of time. It depends on your water softness. These are the same filters that you can get elsewhere, but at a much better cost. The quality is there, and yes, you do need to change every 2 to 3 months. They fit well, are well priced, and we have a few backup filters. These can be a bit tough to locate for our vaporizer. These are a great fit, and arrived quickly. Number 1. HWF62 Humidifier Filter A for Homes, 4-pack. This filter is an ideal replacement for your humidifier. It captures minerals and pollutants, helping to prevent white dust. The improved design maximizes moisture output and extends filter life. This pack of 4 filters is an affordable option for your home. It increases humidity during dry seasons, creating a comfortable environment. Regular replacement prevents excessive drying in your house. This filter is compatible with a wide range of Holmes and Sunbeam humidifier models. It replaces several filter types, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Discoloration of the filter is normal and depends on your water quality. Replace it every 1 to 2 months, or when performance decreases. If you see many impurities or notice an odor, replace it sooner. This product comes with a 1-year warranty and friendly customer service. We are here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This filter is an ideal replacement, capturing minerals and pollutants. The design maximizes moisture output and extends filter life. If you want to improve air quality and extend the life of your humidifier, you should consider this. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and were easy to install. The humidifier is working great again. These filters are exactly what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.